Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a new driving app that recently launched in Jamaica. It's called Go Get Go, and it works similar to Uber and Lyft, where you use your smartphone and you log on and you can get payment. You can, let's say you want to travel from Kingston to Montego Bay. You can go onto this app, you'll get the rate, you'll get the fare, you'll get everything, the driver name, picture, rating, just like you would with Uber or Lyft. Now, this app was recently launched. It's something new and it's targeted more towards tourists, because the driver that you're going to get is a Juta driver, and Juta drivers usually are the ones more associated with the tourist industry. So Jamaicans and visitors to the island can now use the D-O-G-E-T-G-O Do Get Go app to secure ground transportation services in real time. It's a ride-hailing mobile application, just like Uber. Or if you're not familiar with Uber, this is where you go on your phone and you open the app, you put in where you are, where you want to go to, and it will come up with the price. And then when you select it, you then get the payment, the information as to how far away the driver is, real-time information. You can actually see where the driver is on the map. It picks you up and he takes you where you're going. You get the driver name, picture, rating. The rating is very important, and basically it takes you where you need to go in real time. So it's good that they have this app, and the app is available for Android and iOS platforms. Now, the Minister of Transport and Works was at the launch. The launch was in Montego Bay. And remember, this is, when you're talking about Juta, it's more tourism related stuff. So Minister Shaw, or the Minister of Transport and Mining, Honorable Alder Shaw, he stated the app marks another step towards a more technologically inclusive and efficient transport sector in Jamaica. Now, there are no plans to use like regular taxis or bus operators. So far it's just limited to the Juta operators, and that's probably a good thing, because the Juta operators are more familiar with the tourist sector and they operate a little differently. They don't drive and stop and pick up people along the way. They are more, you pick you up at a hotel, you go straight to a destination, or pick you up at an airport and you go straight to a destination, and that's it. They don't stop and pick up people along the way. Okay, so the app comes at a time when commuters demand timeless, flexible, and convenient service in the transport sector. And it works from any smartphone, and it works anywhere in Jamaica. And as we said, the driver is a Juta driver. You get the rate, you get the fee, you see driver rating, you see the map of where you're going, and you can travel anywhere in Jamaica. So this is a very good app, and we haven't actually tried it, but we're just letting you guys know it's out there. So if you plan to travel to Jamaica and you want to get around, you can use this app. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. We like to hear from you guys. We've gotten a lot of information from subscribers that we use in videos, so it's good to hear from you guys. Alright, have a good day.